After a stormy overnight period for many, we've turned mostly sunny, at least, excuse me, from earlier this afternoon. But as we're going later into this evening, there's still going to be the chance for a few more showers and storms. We've been seeing a few fire already going throughout eastern lower. As you can see on the other side of Lake Michigan, there are several severe thunderstorm warnings currently in play. So this is still something that will have our attention as we're going throughout the rest of our Friday. At least the risk compared to what we were talking about from yesterday is lesser. We're only talking about the level 1 risk for us here into northern Michigan. Still thinking our main hazards will be damaging winds, hail, heavy rainfall. The good news we can take from this, our tornadic threat, pretty much going to be staying slim to none. Let's run you through some of the latest data coming in. Here we are closer to 8, 9 o'clock. Chances for some more of these showers and even a few thunderstorms still will be on the table. That will take us later into this evening, approaching midnight tonight. And then again, as we're going into very early on Saturday morning, that's going to be the main window we do talk about, at least for a few stronger thunderstorms. Any chances, at least for stronger thunderstorms, really do diminish once we go past the midnight hour into early Saturday morning. But the system itself is still going to deliver chances for some rain, at least isolated coverage of a few showers as we're going right there closer to the afternoon hours of your Saturday and even still there into the evening. So if you're not seeing the rain actively fall as we get into the day tomorrow, probably at least going to be talking about our fair share of some cloud cover. Temperatures are going to be a little bit cooler too as we're going into the day tomorrow. No more 70s and 80s. It's probably going to be some more 50s, if not even some 60s, as we're getting not only into the day tomorrow, but even as we carry you right there into the day on Sunday. So our main hazards again for the rest of this evening, early tomorrow morning, I think are going to be damaging winds, large hail. Also, the chance will be there for some lightning, heavy rainfall. But like I mentioned earlier, our tornadic threat, at least from this go around, slim to none. So that can be some good news we can take. Let's talk about temperatures for the overnight period tonight. Upper 40s, low 50s. That chance for some showers and storms will be with us, at least going into very early on Saturday morning. But check out the temperatures as we're getting into the day tomorrow. Again, no more 70s and 80s. We'll trade that in for some 50s, if not even some 60s as we're going throughout the afternoon tomorrow. That's going to be a very common range for a lot of us as we get into the day on Saturday. Partly to mostly cloudy if you're not seeing the rain actively fall, and the winds are still going to be a little bit breezy too, mainly coming in from the southwest, 10 to 15. Gusts at times near 25. There it is into eastern lower. Same deal, upper 50s, if not some low 60s for you as we take you into the afternoon. And even as we go a little bit farther south into some of our central counties, similar conditions with the numbers right there. Upper 50s, if not some low 60s, with the chance for a few showers as we do go throughout the day on Saturday. So here we go into the next 7 days. Even a small chance will hold as we go into Sunday. I think it's going to be a little bit better for going into the upper peninsula near the tip of the mitt. Drier conditions, at least as we're starting off the new week. Also pay attention to your overnight lows as we go throughout the next few days. Adam could talk about the chance for some patchy frost.